Hello everyone, myself Nisha Sharma once again in front of you all today. Hope you all are doing well. Well, my last video was based on adjectives. There we learned what is adjective, a proper definition of adjectives and also its kinds. In today's video, which is part 2 of adjectives, we'll learn formation of adjectives and formation of comparative and superlative along with the examples. So let us begin with today's class. Get ready with your notebook. So, formation of adjectives. Many adjectives are formed by nouns like fool, foolish, shame, shameless, gold, golden, play, playful, dirt, dirty, glory, glorious, gift, gifted. These are the adjectives which we formed with nouns. Then we have some adjectives are formed from verbs like tire, tireless, move, movable, talk, talkative, cease, ceaseless. Next we have adjectives which are formed from other adjectives itself. White, whitish, black, blackish, whole, wholesome, tragic, tragical. These are the adjectives which is formed with adjective itself. Now see students, here are the things to concentrate. Listen carefully. Formation of comparative and superlative. Now how we form comparative and superlative? When we talk about comparative means we are comparing. Comparing मतलब किसी से किसी की तुलना करना. And superlative means जो अपने आप में बेस्ट है, सुपर्ब है, जिसकी तुलना नहीं की जा सकती. The comparative degree of an adjective is normally formed by adding er and the superlative is formed by adding est to the positive. Positive, comparative and superlative. Sweet becomes sweeter, er. Superlative, sweetest, est. Young, younger, youngest. High, higher, highest. Old, older, oldest. Now, here I made a note. You can copy it down by pausing this video. The usual comparative and superlative forms of the adjective old are older and oldest. However, the alternative forms elder and eldest are sometimes used. Now, elder, eldest, older, oldest. See, there is a difference. Elder, eldest are chiefly used for comparisons within a family. They imply seniority rather than age. Elder and eldest are used for persons, while older and oldest are used for persons as well as for things. Elder is not used with then. It takes to older, oldest is used for age. Please make a note of this so that you will not get confused. When the positive ends in E, only R and ST is usually added to make the comparative and superlative degrees. How? See, white, whiter, whitest. I'm talking about when the positive ends with E. You can see here, noble, nobler, noblest, wise, wiser, wisest, large, larger, largest, safe, safer, safest, fine, finer, finest. I made it bit easier for you. Now see, if the positive degree ends in Y and is preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I. Before adding ER and EST, it forms comparative and superlative. See here, when it ends with Y, you can see here, easy, easier, easiest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest, happy, happier, happiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, healthy, healthier, healthiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, merry, merrier, merriest. Then we have next, if the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant which is preceded by a short vowel, the consonant is doubled before adding ER or EST to form comparative and superlative degree. Like you can see here, WET, wet, the last consonant becomes double. WETTER before adding ER. And here also before adding EST, double T. Next, big, bigger, biggest. Again here you can see double G. Hot, hotter, hottest, double T. Fat, fatter, fattest, double T. Next we'll see some adjectives of two or more than two syllables form the comparative and superlative degrees by adding more and most before the positive forms. See, difficult becomes more difficult. It's not visible. It's DIFFICULT. Most difficult. Then important becomes more important. In superlative, most important. Careless, more careless, most careless. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Useful, more useful, most useful. At last we have some comparatives and superlatives are formed in an irregular manner. Now see how. Like it is written ill or bad. Ill and bad. For both this positive form, we use worse, worst. Means bad becomes worse and worst. Means the word changes here. Much, more, most. For, former, foremost, first. late, later, last. Good or well becomes better, best. Now students, here we have exercise based on adjective. You can pause this video and copy it down and then you can solve. We'll be providing you the answer key based on this exercise in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe. Thank you.